mischievous grin.
Thunder.
You're telling the story or am I?
I'm sorry, mi vida go on.
Bruno says it looks like rain.
Where you can tell her?
Going so he floods my brain.
I'm like the umbrella.
Buried in a hurricane.
Wanna join the snake, but anyway,
We don't talk about Bruno.
no, no, no.
We don't talk about Bruno. Hey, grew to live in fear. Bruno's stuttering or stumbling. I can always hear him sort of muttering and mumbling. I associate him with the sound of falling sand. It's a heavy liquid with a gift so humbling. Always left a lie in the family fumbling. Battling with prophecies they couldn't understand. Do you understand?
7-foot frame, rats along his back. When he calls your name, it all fades to black. And he sees your dreams, he's on your screen.
We don't talk about Bruno. No, no, no. We don't talk about Bruno.
He told me my fish would die the next day. Yeah.
No, no.
He told me I'd grow a gut, and just like he said,
He said that my hair would disappear. Now look at my hair.
Your fate is sealed when your prophecy is read.
He told me that the life of my dreams would be promised and someday be mine. He told me that my power would grow like the grapes that thrive on the vine.
Oye, Mariano's on his
He
way.
told me that the man of my dreams would be just out of reach, betrothed to another. It's like I hear him
Hey, sis.
now.
I want not a
Like I
sound
hear
out
him
of them.
now. I can hear him now.
Bruno. Yeah, about that Bruno. I really need to know about Bruno. Give me the truth and the whole truth, Bruno.
he's a